how to check Discord account standings. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you if you don't know about your Discord account, like it was on risk or not, or your standing was good or not. So for that you guys will simply go to Discord. It was on iPhone, Samsung and Android as well. So once you open Discord, you need to simply click on your profile pic. Here you guys will see on top right corner setting option with Nitro. So simply click on settings. Now you guys will see account. So simply click on account. Here you guys will see security standing. So simply click on standing. Here you guys can see your account is all good. Also you guys can see all good, limited, very limited, at-risk, suspended. So my account is like in good standing, but if your guys show limited or very limited or at-risk or suspended, that means your account is not in good standings. So you guys can contact Discord to fix that. Thanks for watching.